Ever wondered what it's like to be off the grid and still text your mom that you're alive without cell service? Well, today we're diving into the world of tiny devices that could save your life or at least save you from getting lost. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 and the brand new Mini 3. Stick around till the end because I'll tell you which one's worth tossing into your backpack and which one might just collect dust. Let's start with Mini 2. This little beast is compact, lightweight, and seriously rugged. I'm talking military grade toughness that laughs in the face of mud, rain, and accidental drops. And don't let the size fool you. It packs global satellite coverage, so when your phone gives up, this guy keeps you connected. Texts, locations, tracking, even an SOS alert that contacts Garmin's 24/7 emergency response team. Mini 2 has it all. Then there's the Mini 3. Garmin added a color touchscreen, more battery life, up to 350 hours with 10-minute tracking, which is insane, and a slicker interface. It's basically Mini 2 upgraded for the touchscreen generation. And yes, it's still tough, waterproof, mudproof, you get the idea. Rugged doesn't have to mean boring. Both devices let you exchange messages even when your phone can't see a single tower. Mini 2 has button-based messaging. Mini 3 throws in a touchscreen keyboard for a smartphone-like experience. You can even send emojis, yes, life or death emojis. And the SOS feature both send interactive alerts to Garmin Response, giving your exact GPS coordinates. I tested it once on a hike and let's just say I didn't end up needing rescue, but the peace of mind totally worth it. Mini 2 and Mini 3 both shine when it comes to navigation. With trackback routing, you can literally retrace your steps if you get lost. The Mini 3 pairs with the Garmin Explorer app on your phone for a richer experience. You can plan your route, see your progress, and track distance, time, and elevation. I tried it on a weekend trek, and it actually felt like having a tiny mission control in my pocket. No more wandering around, wondering if you passed that weird rock formation twice. Mini 2 gives you up to 14 days of battery life in 10-minute tracking mode, while Mini 3 blows it out of the water with up to 350 hours. And if you're the clumsy adventurer type, don't worry, both are rugged, durable, and can survive a splash or a mud fight without missing a beat. So which one should you pick? If you want a classic, reliable, compact communicator, Mini 2 is perfect. But if you want more battery, touchscreen convenience, and a slightly fancier interface, Mini 3 is your go-to. Either way, both are life-saving gadgets that turn off the grid into just another adventure. Personally, I've got both, but that's because I like being over-prepared. You, pick wisely, stay safe, and text me if you get lost. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.